Alright, so it's been a while since I made a recording. Been busy. It's been the holidays, Thanksgiving to be exact. And I'm probably not going to make a lot of videos when it comes to December because be out of town for vacation. So that's like pretty much all of December. But I will try to keep up to date with my code base and hopefully everything's running. And I'll be checking on the server as well. So let's get to this. Let me minimize myself. But there were three updates that I never got a post about. I posted on my X account. I didn't make a video for it. Now I am. So let's minimize myself. Blah, blah, blah. Let's go into GitLab. Alright, so first one starts at version 1.49.59. So we went, this is just a patch. It went from 0.58 to 0.59. All it was we fixed the notifications, favorites, bookmark channels, detailed images to display correctly based on device size. Um, that's nice. Now I'll show you kind of what I am talking about. Um, Now this image here, for bookmarks as well, in bookmarks, all these images, if you change the device size, the image would stay the exact same size, right? And that became problematic because you got this really big image and then you had the regular GUI, this little box that wasn't fitting anymore. I didn't like that. So now, depending on your device size, it should change with your device size. So you can be able to see everything and not have it kind of smushed or expanded. That was one update. Let's go check out the other update because we're going to be doing three updates today to keep you up to date. Let's go. Alright, so here's the next one. So this, I added a new feature. This one is a show more, show less little link or drop down basically for the channel detail. I realized that if you have a smaller device and someone had a huge summary for their channel, it would overwhelm it and it didn't look good. So what I did, I just made it show more, show less, so it always looks good kind of no matter what. So it'll never go past the image size unless you request it. So I will give you a quick example. Let's go into channels, redacted. Here is the show more button. So in the past, this would just expand downwards. So you have all this text, it didn't look uniform. Now you can decide to make it look ununiform to read the rest. And if I change sizes, like let's say I'm on a phone that's 550 by 597, right? It's not a normal size phone, but whatever. Um, Here's the show more button. See, it would always look like that. Now you have a choice. If you don't really care about the summary, then it will always look neat. But if you do want to read the summary, you can always read it. So I thought that was a nice little feature to add in there. Let's go back to desktop. So that is cool. Second thing, so we had a patch for one, a feature for minor for another. What else? Oh, this one is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Let's go to the final change. Version 1.50.60. GitHub link is now available and it's on the home page and it's on the footer. Say what? Okay, check this out. Psh, psh. Okay, let's go home. This is my GitHub link. Magic! We don't get an error anymore. And it shows our stars, it shows our forks. Now GitHub's available. I've posted all the new updates to GitHub too. Check it out, check it out, check it out. What else? What else? Oh, let's exit out of that. Watch this. So we're gonna go all the way down and we're gonna click our little GitHub button. The footer works too. No way. You don't get a message that says go to GitLab. Okay, I'm going to be posting code to GitHub and GitLab. Our GitHub account got renewed. Something happened. Don't know what. I think it was a false flag on the GitHub's part, but I appreciate them for taking the customer support and reaching out and reactivating my account. Don't know why I got deactivated. Don't care, but it's back up. So I have GitHub and GitLab for Muse Podcast, and I am very happy. So if you have a GitHub account, check me out on GitHub. If you have a GitLab account, you can go check me out on GitLab. They're both the same code base. It's all open source. All right. So those are the 3 updates for the day. We basically fixed that image. We basically fixed, added a feature so you could see a summary, kept that more uniform. And we also have GitHub available, and the links to GitHub send you directly to it. So that's all for the day, and I appreciate your guys' time. Peace. Ciao.